Have you ever been involuntarily let go from your job? If this is currently or has happened to you, my humblest condolences. That being said, did you know that you might qualify for unemployment compensation while you are actively trying to seek work? Well, in this video, I will be going over unemployment compensation benefits. But before we get started, if you are a fan of the lessons that I put out, then feel free to subscribe to my channel or give it a like. It is always appreciated, but never expected. All right, without further ado, let's get started. The Federal Unemployment Tax Act, otherwise known as FUTA, is a law that governs a system for unemployment insurance which is managed by individual states. It provides compensation for workers who have lost their jobs. FUTA defines an employee as someone who works for their employer in any given calendar quarter or receives more than $1,500 in gross wages in any 20-week duration within that calendar year. That being said, our problem over here is Ryan was recently laid off from a company, and last year Ryan made a total gross fixed salary of $48,000 within that calendar year. Ryan's former employer pays up to a certain percentage of each paycheck for FUTA taxes for up to a maximum of 26 weeks. Ryan begins filing for unemployment benefits on January 1st, and unemployment benefits are paid out until March 31st. Calculate Ryan's weekly benefit amount. Now, first up, there are 4 base periods, otherwise calendar quarters, within a calendar year. Okay? First one is January through March, then it's April through June, then it's July through September, and then October through December. Now, over here it says that Ryan begins filing for unemployment benefits on January 1st, okay, and then through March 31st. So we're looking at quarter one. And since Ryan made a salary of $48,000, what we need to do is we need to split that out between 4 calendar quarters. And to do that, we need to take 48,000 divided by 4. And that will get us $12,000. Now, in this case, it doesn't matter, but in the case that you were hourly, what you would do is you would take your highest wage quarter, but in this case, you don't have to do that because in this case, your salary. That being said, we'll take 12,000 here, and we're going to use that for our nominal figure for my next demonstration. So 12,000. Now, since there can be a maximum of 26 weeks, I'm eligible for unemployment for up to a maximum of 26 weeks. What we need to do is we need to take 12,000 divided by 26, and that will get us our weekly benefit, which, if you calculate that out, it will be $451.54 per week. Thank you for watching this demonstration. So with that being said, I do have some good news and some bad news. The bad news is this will be my last demonstration with the payroll section. But the good news is that I have installed this program called Loom. It's a screen recorder. And what I'm thinking about doing next is I'm going to show you how to navigate different tools in Microsoft Excel. I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope that I can help you as well. Thank you.